Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the residential address in Exness in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on exness.com. Afterwards, simply log in into your account in order to access your Exness personal area, which is going to look something like this. Now over here, you just have to click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner. Then simply click on the option of settings. Now, when you are inside the settings, you are going to see the residential address, which is linked to your identity verification records and not just the profile text fields. Now, in most of the cases, you can't actually simply just type the new address and save it manually after the verification is completed. Exness is not going to give you that particular option. Exness usually requires the updated proof of resident documents before changing the address information. So in order to change the residential address once your account is verified, you need to contact to the customer support team. For that, you can either press this particular message icon in the bottom right hand corner, or you can also click on the option of this help icon here on the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you can just simply select the option of help or raise the ticket, and then you can ask them that I want to change my residential address, and they are going to basically help you in this regard. So they will ask you some of the questions, so you need to provide those via email, and then they will be able to change the address after successful verification. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.